Hey guys, it's Factnime and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of a fruit that's more than just a garnish for your drinks, the mighty lemon. Did you know that drinking lemon water daily can help you lose weight, improve digestion and boost immunity? But that's just the beginning. Stay till the end to discover how lemons can even fight aging and diseases. From boosting your immune system to giving you glowing skin, lemons are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body will absolutely love. Get ready to see lemons in action. We'll show you how to incorporate them into your daily routine for maximum benefit. So if you're ready to unlock the secret powers of lemons, stick around, hit that like button, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite topic: immunity. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that's like the captain of your immune army. Vitamin C helps produce white blood cells, the brave soldiers that fight off infections and keep you healthy. Think of lemons as a delicious way to give your immune system a much-needed boost, especially during cold and flu season. Adding a squeeze of lemon to your iron-rich meals can enhance their benefits. So next time you feel a cold coming on, try starting your day with a warm glass of lemon water and see the difference for yourself. Now let's talk about digestion and how we can naturally support it. A healthy gut is key to overall well-being, impacting everything from our mood to our immune system. And believe it or not, lemons can play a significant role in keeping things running smoothly. Lemons contain citric acid, which becomes alkaline in the body, helping to neutralize stomach acid and promote bile production, essential for digestion. They are also a good source of soluble fiber, particularly pectin, which aids digestion and helps prevent constipation by adding bulk to stool. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning can stimulate peristalsis, the natural contractions that move food through your digestive tract, setting a positive tone for the day. Think of it as a gentle wake-up call for your gut, encouraging it to start working efficiently. If you're struggling with indigestion or heartburn, lemon water can help break down food more efficiently, easing discomfort. The citric acid in lemons can reduce the likelihood of acid reflux and discomfort, making it a natural remedy for many. So the next time you're experiencing digestive woes, remember the power of lemons and their natural benefits. A simple glass of lemon water might be all you need to get things flowing smoothly again, bringing relief and comfort. Weight management is a journey many of us are on. Lemons can be a valuable tool in your weight loss arsenal. Pectin, a type of soluble fiber in lemons, absorbs water in your stomach, making you feel fuller for longer and reducing hunger cravings. This means you're less likely to overeat or reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. Pectin also slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, helping regulate blood sugar levels. Lemons are a natural diuretic, helping your body flush out excess water weight. Lemon water is a calorie-free and refreshing alternative to sugary drinks. By swapping out sugary beverages for lemon water, you're already making a healthier choice. Adding lemon water to your daily routine can help curb cravings, regulate blood sugar levels, and keep you feeling hydrated and satisfied. In today's world, we're constantly exposed to toxins, whether it's from the air we breathe, the food we eat, or the water we drink. Detoxification is important, and lemons can be a powerful ally in this process. They are not only refreshing, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Lemons are packed with antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants are essential for maintaining overall health. Free radicals can damage DNA and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, antioxidants play a crucial role in disease prevention. Antioxidants neutralize these free radicals, keeping your cells healthy and functioning optimally. This is why incorporating lemons into your diet can be so beneficial. Lemons also support your liver, the organ responsible for filtering toxins from your blood. A healthy liver is vital for overall well-being. The citric acid in lemons helps increase the production of enzymes that break down toxins. This makes the detoxification process more efficient. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning helps flush out toxins and prepares your digestive system for the day ahead. It's a simple yet effective daily ritual. If you're feeling under the weather, lemon water can help replenish electrolytes and provide a boost of vitamin C. This can aid in quicker recovery. Adding lemon water to your daily routine can help protect your cells, support your liver, and keep your body functioning at its best. It's a small change with big benefits. Who doesn't love having radiant, healthy-looking skin? Lemons are a skincare superstar. Antioxidants like vitamin C fight off free radical damage, reducing wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Lemons are a natural source of citric acid, which acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and revealing brighter skin. This can help unclog pores and prevent breakouts. The citric acid in lemons has natural bleaching properties that can help fade dark spots and even out your skin tone. You can apply diluted lemon juice directly to your skin as a toner or spot treatment, but always do a patch test first. If you're looking for a natural way to achieve glowing, healthy skin, lemons can help you achieve a radiant complexion from the inside out. Kidney stones are a painful reality for many people. Lemons can help prevent kidney stones from forming. The secret lies in a compound found in lemons called citrate, a natural inhibitor of kidney stone formation. Citrate binds to calcium in your urine, preventing it from forming stones. Lemons are a good source of citrate, and drinking lemon juice regularly can increase citrate levels in your urine. Lemons also have a diuretic effect, helping your body produce more urine and flush out your kidneys. If you're prone to kidney stones, incorporating lemon juice into your daily routine can reduce your risk. Drinking lemon water is a great way to support your urinary health and prevent problems down the road. Taking care of our hearts should be a top priority. Lemons can support a healthy heart. Lemons are a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. Lemons also contain flavonoids, which reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel function. Lemon juice can help lower LDL or bad cholesterol levels. Incorporating lemons into your diet is as simple as adding a squeeze of lemon juice to your water, tea, or salad dressings. Show your heart some love by adding lemons to your diet. These tangy fruits are a delicious and easy way to support your cardiovascular health and reduce your risk of heart disease. While lemons taste acidic, they actually have an alkalizing effect on the body. When metabolized, they leave behind an alkaline residue, helping to neutralize acid and balance the body's pH levels. Maintaining a healthy pH balance is crucial for overall health. Lemons help counteract acidity by providing alkaline minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning helps flush out acidic waste products and sets the stage for a balanced pH. If you're prone to acid reflux or heartburn, lemons can help neutralize stomach acid. Adding lemon water to your daily routine can help balance your pH levels and keep your body functioning at its best. Feeling sluggish? Consider the natural energy-boosting power of lemons. Lemons are a great source of electrolytes, which help keep your body hydrated and energized. When you're dehydrated, your energy levels plummet. Lemons help replenish electrolytes, boosting your energy levels and keeping you refreshed. The scent of lemons can also stimulate your senses and improve your mood. Next time you're feeling a midday slump, reach for a refreshing glass of lemon water instead. Lemons have natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, making them a powerful ally in the fight against germs. The citric acid in lemons acts as a natural disinfectant, effectively killing off bacteria and fungi. Lemons can be used topically to help fight off infections and cleanse wounds. Gargling with warm lemon water can soothe a sore throat and kill bacteria. While lemons have antibacterial properties, they should not replace proper medical treatment. Lemons are a safe and effective way to help keep germs at bay. These versatile fruits support your overall health. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today. From the origins of lemons to their incredible health benefits, it's been quite a journey. From boosting your immunity and aiding digestion, to promoting glowing skin and protecting your heart, lemons are truly a powerhouse of health benefits. They are packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants that can make a real difference in your well-being. And the best part, they're incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether in your meals, drinks, or even skincare, lemons can be used in so many ways. So I challenge you to embrace the power of lemons. Start small and see the big impact. Try adding a squeeze of lemon to your water, tea, or meals for a week and see how it makes you feel. Notice the refreshing taste and the health benefits. You might be surprised at the difference such a small change can make. It's often the little things that have the biggest impact. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And share this video with your friends and family so they can unlock the power of lemons too. Let's spread the love and benefits of this amazing fruit. Until next time, stay healthy and keep learning. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.